The focus of our video today is going to be talking about this new option Conestoga just came out with in the summer of 2017 called a shaped side option. So for a while they've had a flush toe with a shape in it. So in this case we've got a flush toe in the front of this cabinet. It would actually have the same shape cut in it. Now they're doing it actually in the side panel. So what this means is if you have traditionally ordered cabinets from Conestoga before and you wanted to get a decorative furniture look on the sides of the cabinet, you'd have to use some kind of a foot option. Under here with the recessed toe side. What Conestoga is doing now is they're just running one of their 4 valance shapes in the bottom of the actual side panel itself. So you can get the elegant arch, the classic arch, the traditional arch, or the Roman arch. So those patterns would be cut with a 3-inch foot in the side of the cabinet, and it's going to match. If you did it to the front and the other side, you've got a freestanding piece of furniture now without having to use an accessory foot. And it's all freestanding. You can look all the way underneath the cabinet. There's no toe board under there unless you want to put one. You can always put a toe kick 3 inches back to prevent dust bunnies and that kind of thing from collecting back there. But you can literally do a freestanding piece of furniture with this option. Now there's a few other Conestoga options for their cabinets that are not available with this. One is the extended style option. So you can't extend the style on the front frame on the same side you're doing the toe recess, obviously. The other one is the loose toe platform. So if you check on Conestoga's option list for their tall cabinets, if you have a tall cabinet standing up in a low ceiling, you're trying to put a 96-inch cabinet in a 96-inch ceiling, they will do the toe kick as a removable toe box and then let you slide the toe box underneath the cabinet after you've stood it up. Well, that option is not available with this shaped toe side, rather. The other option is Conestoga has a flush end option where the side panel flushes out with the front frame. And they'll do it as an unexposed flush end. So this would not receive finish. It's a rare option, but some people like it. They don't offer this option with the unfinished flush end option. Now, if you're doing a recessed toe side, you want to do the thing where there's a toe kick box 3 inches deep on the side of the cabinet. You can do that on this cabinet, but it's got to be on the other side. You can't do it on this side for obvious reasons. You've got a shape cut there. So a few non-compatible options to be mindful of. One other thing to be mindful of is the depth of the cabinet has to exceed 15 inches or more to get this shaped side option. Obviously, if you get a cabinet too narrow, if you did a 12-inch deep base cabinet, there's no room left to put a shape. So they have to have enough real estate to fit the pattern as well as the feet. So it's a great option to minimize cost if you're trying to get a dressed up furniture type look on your base cabinet or your tall cabinet or your vanity, without spending that extra money on feet, and it's really, really easy. If you watch our other video on the valanced base molding we put around, it's an accessory molding you have to actually mount to the sides of the cabinet. You've got to build the cabinet up to be supported, much more heavy duty on the installation side for you at home, whereas this one, it comes this way, you assemble the cabinet and you're done. So it's a new option. Again, summer of 2017, the option code is SSO, which is shaped side option. Just note that on your special instructions for your cabinet, and our people will take care of it for you. If you have any questions on how to use this option on this or any other cabinet, feel free to give us a call, 888-211-6482. Our sales guys would be happy to talk you through it. Thanks for watching.